Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step where you can find the page preloading feature on Google Chrome in 2025 so that you may enable it to preload websites and pages faster on the Chrome web browser. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do is head over to Google Chrome and from there click into these three dots and navigate to settings here at the bottom of that list. Next, click into privacy and security. From there click into performance, and here guys under speed at the bottom you will see the preload pages feature. So you may enable it here or customize it below, for example expand the extended preloading feature and for example select it, or stick to the standard preloading feature which is usually enabled on default. So guys, this will allow Google Chrome, for example, to preload these pages faster and that way also increase your browsing and searching speed. So you may do that or simply turn off the preloading feature. That's totally up to you guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.